Hello, YouTube family, and welcome back. It's been a while. I missed you. All right, tonight we got a special treat. It's gonna be awesome. Seventh grade athlete Isaiah. All right, how you doing tonight?
Good.
All right. So loves basketball and football.
Yeah.
All right, that is awesome. But when he plays, sometimes he has some pain in his back. Immediately too. So we're gonna check him out tonight. It's his first time being adjusted. So tune in. All right, this is awesome. Thank you for tuning in. All right, cool. I want you to lay facing down. Beautiful. All right, yeah, and there's pads there for your hands. That wasn't his back, it's this table. I leaned on it. So we're gonna palpate, which means feeling your spine. Feeling it for 4 things. Alignment, number 1, there's all those bumpy bones sticking out in the back. They should all line up. The second thing is motion. There should be motion in between the segments. Next thing is change in the muscle tissue. That's parallel and surrounding. And lastly is any inflammation. I don't feel any inflammation. Thank God. All right. Any pain? No? No. All right, how about this side?
No.
Great. Where do you feel your pain when you feel it? In here?
Right in the middle of it.
All right. I do like your low back. Feels good. Cool. Yeah, legs look even. All right, I want you to flip over onto your back, facing up. You got like full range of motion with your arms, right? Nothing hurts there.
Mm-hmm.
Good. How's your head? How's your sinuses? How's everything?
I feel good.
No problems. No like, I get headaches once a week, or my allergies or anything like that.
No.
I like your neck. It's pretty good. Fine tuning. There's a little bit of rotation. And the neck, it's neat because you can feel the posterior elements of the spine, like bumpy pieces back there. But you can also feel on the sides too. So motion-wise, you can feel how this right there on the left doesn't move as nicely as the rest. Good. So we're gonna fix it. We're gonna move it. You did great. Perfect. Perfect. All right, for the middle, what I want to do, I call this the hug. All right. Isaiah's mom's a patient, so he's seen me do this to her. Here, the hug. Perfect. Perfect. All right, let me have your hands. Just a stretch. Beautiful. How was school?
Good.
Yeah?
I got basketball trials coming up.
What do you have?
Basketball trials.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, rest your mind. How many kids, man? What do you think?
I don't know. I think it's more than last year.
Oh, really? It's 7th and 8th grade?
Yeah, and 6th grade.
All right. It's tough because in basketball, there's only 5 people on the court at one time.
Yeah.
And so how many people you take? 15 maybe,
Yeah.
So if 60 people come out, you're not going to have to, maybe you can do 2 teams,
Yeah. And I made it last year too. Me and Elijah.
You already made it?
We made the team last year.
In 6th grade?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. All right. They ain't got no problems.
Yep.
Nice. Now, No matter what, always keep working, having fun, all right? But do your schoolwork.
Yep.
Perfect. Perfect. That's beautiful. All right, come on up, have a seat facing this way. Yeah. Now, one of the things about schoolwork is this forward flex posture, sitting over the desk or carrying the bag, we wind up bending forward, and that does put a lot of pressure in here. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Embrace your height. I want you to, stay tall, just like that. That's perfect. Okay. Beautiful. All right. You are good to go. You did great. Thank you. This is your first adjustment ever. All right. Remember, posture, sitting up tall. All right. All right, YouTube family. Thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up always. All right. And continue to spread the word. All right. See ya.